in this lesson, we'll finish our head rig. I'd say we could use our arc tool to create a shape that surrounds the character's head. Let's go to our create panel, head over to shapes, and get to our arc tool. From there, we'll head over to our back view, and to create this shape, we can snap to our grid points on both halves of the character. So I'll head over to the snap tool, make sure we can snap to grid points, activate the snap tool, kind of adjust the camera here, snap to one point, go to the opposite half of the character, snap another, and drag this up. Okay, so under modify, under rendering, we could definitely bring down the thickness here. Let's say to about 0.5. I'll go ahead and collapse that, and the radius we could definitely bring in, so I'll just drop that down, and then maybe scale this in just a little bit more, scale it down, and there we have it. Back to our perspective, can go ahead and recolor this. I'll go with the same yellow we've been using for the upper body control and the global. From there we can rename this. That's going to be CC underscore head 01. We'll also want to adjust the pivot. We don't want it to pivot from the center of this object. I'll turn off snap. Instead, of course, we'd want it to pivot right where the head would rotate from. So we'll head over to our hierarchy panel, choose effect pivot only, press Shift A so we can quick align right to the helper. Alright, so now it's just a matter of taking that helper and linking it right to our head control. So here's what we get. As we rotate this around, we can control the orientation of the head. As we move it, we control the next orientation. Alrighty. So what's left is, of course, to go ahead and link this to our chest control. So that will follow right. Select the head control, get to our link tool, and link again to the chest control. So as we start to rotate that, there we have it. And he's bowing. Yay, we've done it. Okay, we've managed to do a link. Alright, we're also going to want to make sure we link this neck bone, so as we scale our rig, of course the neck will scale. So we'll just select the neck, go ahead and move in there, get back to our link tool, and here we go. We will now link to the global control. Alright, so as we select this now and start to scale it, everything will scale just fine. So we rotate it, everything will rotate fine. Okay, now we can go ahead and freeze transformations on this head control. So we'll alt right click, choose freeze transform. From there, we'll head over to our curve editor and go ahead and lock its scale. Okay, so with these things done, that actually completes our head rig. In the next lesson, we're going to actually bring our attention to the eyes. We'll go ahead and set up some blink controls and discuss some fun things about setting those up.